Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and learn how to record vocals in FL Studio. First, go to Options, Audio Settings and select FL Studio ASIO as your device. Make sure your input is set to your built-in microphone. Next, set up a recording track. Open the mixer by pressing F9 or manually opening it. Select an empty track and choose your built-in mic as the input. Next, click the record button that is located right here. After that is done, go ahead and click on this very record button that is located right here and then select Audio into Edison Recorder and start singing or rapping. After you're done, here you can see the preview of your recording. And that's it, you just recorded vocals in FL Studio the easiest way. Try it out and start making music today.